Hello students, this side Sarika, your maths teacher. So in this video, I'm going to explain comparing quantities, right? In the comparing quantities chapter, you will be studying these topics, right? Which I've written. Ratio, how to find the ratio of the ages of two persons, right? So how to find the ratio of cost of chair, cost of table and all, whatever you want to find the ratio, you can find out in this chapter right here. So now percentage, right? You might have heard how to find the percentage. You got in 8th class, 7th class. So how to find that percentage and how to convert that percentage into value, right? So ratio, percentage, selling price, cost price. What do you mean by the cost price? When we buy certain article, that is called a cost price, right? We have bought that is cost price. Now we are willing to just sell that article, right? So that will be the selling price. कॉस्ट प्राइस जिसमें खरीदा, सेलिंग प्राइस जिसमें हमने उसको सेल किया, राइट? सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. प्रॉफिट हुआ कि लॉस हुआ. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल बी explaining, right? The discount, sometimes you get some certain discount on certain items when you buy. Simple interest, compound interest, and amount, how to find the amount when the principal is given, right? What is principal, what is amount, I will be explaining this video, right? Now these are the topics of comparing quantities. So I have started with the ratio, how to find the ratio. Now here is the question of ratio. How to find the ratio of 40 kg to 15 kg. Suppose an article's cost, you're buying any article, right? That costs 40, the other article costs 15. You want to find the ratio between the cost of, or 40 kg is the weight, 15 kg is the weight of the other article, right? You want to find the ratio between the weights, ages, cost, whatever, length, right? So here it's 40 kg to 15 kg, right? Ratio we want to find between 40 ratio 15. Ratio means divide. 40 divided by 15. I've cancelled it by the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So the ratio will be 8 ratio 3, right? Whenever you have to convert any value into ratio, just divide them, right? Convert them into simplest form and then that answer will be the ratio, and this is the symbol of ratio, double dots, right? Similarly, I've written one more question. Ratio of Ram's age to Shyam's age is dash, right? When their ages have been given, age of Ram is 50 and age of Shyam is 20. We have two ages, 50 and 20, and we need to find that what is the ratio between the age of Ram and Shyam. So what you need to do, you just have to divide them. Yeah, you can cancel out zeros, right? So, or you can cancel by 10, table of 10, 10 5s are 10 2s are. So 5 ratio 2. So ages, the ratio of the ages of Ram and Shyam, that ratio is 5 ratio 2. And if you want to find the ratio of 40 and 15 kg, so that is 8 ratio 3. So this is all about the ratio. Now we'll be doing the percentage and its applications. Okay children. So now, okay children, now you know what is ratio, how to find the ratio of between two numbers. Now next topic is percentage and its application. Questions of percentage. Applications means in real life we have different problems, right, in which we are using this percentage, right? So applications also, problem sums means. Okay, now question related to percent, right? What is the percentage or percent means, right? Percent, right? Percent of a number. Suppose you have to find 16% of 75. 16% of 75. How can you find this? 16, in order to remove the symbol of percentage, you have to put here in the denominator 100. आपको percentage का symbol remove करने के लिए you have to divide this by 100. So 16% converts to 16 by 100. Of means multiply, right? And 75 was there. What you have to do, you just have to do the calculations, right? Let us cancel this by 5 for 25. 25 3s are 25 4s are, right? 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are is 12. So what is the value? 16% of 75, that is 12, right? जब आप परसेंटेज में निकालते हो कि आपके पास 75 है, इसका 10% कितना होता है, 20% कितना होता है, 30% कितना होता है, तो यू कैन फाइंड इट दिस वे. सपोज 16% आपने 75 का 16% कैसे निकालना है, तो क्या करना है, 16 by 100 into 75. इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड 50% of 75, तो 50 upon 100 into 75. बस परसेंटेज का साइन आपको, यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमूव दैट, नीचे 100 लगा लो, ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. तो ये दो चेंजेस आपने करने, परसेंटेज चेंजेस टू हियर 100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई जस्ट सॉल्व. तो आप किसी का भी परसेंट निकाल सकते हैं. 30% ऑफ 5000, राइट, 6% ऑफ 500, whatever, right? Okay, now next topic is increase percentage and decrease percentage, right? How to find the increase percentage? Increase means when two values have been given, right? Like price of tomatoes, it has increased from 80 to 200. There is an increase. Increase तो है. अगर you have to calculate that in percentage, right? Percentage में आपको निकालना है कि roughly कितना percentage होगा, कितने percentage it has been the price has been increased, right? What is the hike in the price in the percentage? तो कैसे निकालते हैं आपको? There is a question. If the price of 1 kg apples increases from 60 rupees to 75, पहले 60 था, 75 हो गया per kg, right? 1 kg means per kg. 1 kg आपका इतना था, अब 75 हो गया. तो आपको अगर percentage में किसी में इसको you have to explain it to someone कि कितना percent increase हो गया, right? There is an increase in the cost of price of the cost of per kg एप्पल. 1 kg एप्पल की कॉस्ट जो है इंक्रीज होगी, परसेंटेज में आपने बतानी है और आपको वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सो इंक्रीज परसेंटेज मीन्स इंक्रीज. इंक्रीज मतलब दोनों का डिफरेंस, कितना अमाउंट से इंक्रीज हुआ है, व्हाट इज द इंक्रीज्ड वैल्यू. आप यहाँ इंक्रीज्ड वैल्यू डालेंगे डिवाइड बाय द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू. व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल? 60 into 100. So increase here. So increase percentage will be, right? Increase percentage will be increase. Increase means 75 minus 60. Up you can find separate, then put the value here. I'm finding the increase here only. Original value was 60, right? क्या किया आपने? Increase means difference. कितने से increase है? There is a difference of 15. What was the original value? 60 into 100. What does that value? 0 से 0 cancel कर दो, right? 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, 2 से कट कर दो, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So it's 25%. Right? If the cost of 1 kg apple increases from rupees 60 to 75, so there is a hike of, there is increase of 25%. So this is the increase percentage, right? तो आपको जिसका भी निकालना है increase percentage, what you will do? Formula is increase percentage is equal to increase. उन दोनों values का difference निकालो. Divide किससे करना है? Original value से. जहां से वो increase हुआ है, जो पहले वाली value थी उसकी, वो तो बाद वाली value है. This was the original value. So original value नीचे डालते हैं, ऊपर difference होगा, increase into 100 and do the calculations, right? Similarly, we have a decrease percentage. Same, decrease percentage is equal to decrease upon original value into 100, right? So decrease, I have taken the same question. Suppose the price of apples decreases. Same question I have taken from here. Price decreases from 75 to 60, right? Now I have written the price 75. Earlier it was 75, then it decreased to 60. Now I want to find out the decrease percentage, right? So here also what? How do you find the decrease percentage? Decrease percentage is equal to, first you can write the formula, decrease upon, right, original value into 100. First you need to write the formula. So I'm writing directly decrease. Decrease will be 75 minus 60 upon original value. Now it's 75. Right? Then here the difference is 15, original value 75, क्योंकि original means पहले वाली value जो थी, जहाँ से हमने increase या decrease किया, right? Into 100. Now 25 3s are 25 4s are 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are is 100. You can divide it by, you can cancel it out by a table of 5 also, as you feel comfortable. 3 से you can divide this by 3, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20, right? So यही same values अगर 60 से 75 होता है, what is the increase there? 25%, sorry. And when this is a question of decrease, अगर 75 था और आपका 60 हो गया, तो decrease percentage क्या होता है? Decrease. Decrease कितने से हुआ? Decrease. So there is 15 only. 15 से decrease हो गया और original value क्या थी? That was 75. So here we have to put the decrease in original value. Here the original value was 75. Here the original value was 16. Difference चलो दोनों में same था into 100. So it has been decreased by 20%. तब वो 20% था. I hope it's clear. You can find out the increase and the decrease percentage. Increase percentage means increase. उनका difference कर लो, आपको increase amount मिल जाएगी, increased value मिल जाएगी. On original value into 100. Original होती है जो पहले लिखी हो, right? Similarly, the decrease percentage में आप decrease निकालोगे, decrease भी difference ये होता है. Upon the original value उसकी बड़े वाली होगी क्योंकि वहाँ तो decrease हो गया 75 to 60. तो original value change हो गई 75. into 100. I hope this topic is clear, children. Okay, good. Okay, students. Now the next topic is profit and loss, right? What is profit? What is profit percentage? What is loss and what is loss percentage? Okay, children. So profit and loss. Before doing profit and loss, we should know what is CP means cost price. Cost price means जब आपने कोई article खरीदा, that cost you have paid for purchasing it, that is cost price. Selling price is then you are not willing to use that article and that thing, right? Then you need to sold it. You are willing to sold it. आपने उसको बेच दिया, sell कर दिया. So that is selling price. I hope it's clear, right? The article bought, purchased, cost price, sold. Further you have sold it. That is selling price. Okay, children. Now profit कब होगा, loss कब होगा, right? Suppose आपने you have bought TV for 18,000, right? आपने you have sold it for 19,000. तो आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ, आपको क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? 1000 का प्रॉफिट हो गया. कैसे पता चला? सीपी ग्रेटर देन एसपी ग्रेटर देन सीपी. इफ एसपी इज ग्रेटर देन सीपी, आपने जितने में उसको सेल किया वो ज्यादा है, देन इट इज प्रॉफिट. अगर यू हैव bought an article for 10,000 and you sold it for 9,000, तो 1,000 का आपको लॉस हो गया. सो इफ जो purchasing amount that is CP is greater than SP, then we suffer the loss, right? I hope it's clear. Loss is CP minus SP, profit is SP minus CP, क्योंकि उसमें SP बड़ा होगा, selling price. अगर आपने ज़्यादा में खरीदा उसको तो वो CP बड़ा होगा, and then you will be suffering a loss, right? So in order to find the profit percent and loss percent, profit percent means a profit percent है तो profit ही डालेगा ऊपर, profit divided by CP into 100, right? यहाँ पे हमेशा CP रहता है, right? In the denominator we always have CP because in the denominator we put the original value, and original value was the CP only. SP तो बाद में आया, right? So now here profit upon CP into 100. I have taken one example. Cost price of bicycle is this, selling price is this. If we will look at this, SP is greater than CP. SP greater, तो प्रॉफिट, राइट? प्रॉफिट मीन्स तो प्रॉफिट में एसपी पहले आएगा फिर सीपी, राइट? एसपी माइनस सीपी, दैट इज 60. सो प्रॉफिट परसेंट सेज प्रॉफिट अपॉन दिस. व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट? 60. व्हाट इज सीपी? this. Here we have to substitute CP into 100. Do the calculations, right? 100 is the 2 zeros cut gayi, right? Let us do it by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60, 10 by 3. You can convert it into mixed fraction. जैसे आप डिवाइड करके करते हो 10 divided by, तो 3 1 by 3, 3 3 are 9 and 1 10, right? जब हम परसेंटेज में देते हैं हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में देते हैं, right? So I hope it is clear. CP was given, SP was given, right? So SP यहाँ पे clearly greater है CP से, so हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा, right? प्रॉफिट कैसे आएगा? डिफरेंस से. डिफरेंस ऑफ व्हाट? SP and CP. जो SP को और CP को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, you'll get that profit. Profit percent में क्या? What you have in the numerator? We have profit. What is in the denominator? That is CP. CP means the original value into 100. So just do the calculations and just convert that fraction. If you get the answer in the fraction, convert it into a mixed fraction, right? So this was the question of profit. Now let us see loss, right? Suppose I have written one question. Cost price of TV. That is 19,500. Selling price of TV. Right? So when you bought the TV, that was of 19,500. You were able to sold it for 19,000. तो आपको तो लॉस हो गया. क्लियरली आपको दिख रहा है नुकसान है, आपके 500 ज्यादा लगे हैं खरीदने में rather than selling it, right? So here loss, क्योंकि CP is greater. CP हम पहले लिखेंगे. In subtraction, greater value को हम पहले लिखते हैं. That means CP is greater. So first of all find out the loss, and here the loss is the difference of CP and SP, that is 500. Then find out the loss percentage. Loss percentage says loss upon CP into 100. Loss जो कि loss था, right? CP तो आपकी यहाँ पे CP ही रहेगा, SP में चेंज नहीं करना. नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में we have to take the original value as we took in the increase percentage and decrease percentage. तो original value is always CP. सबसे पहले आप खरीदते हो, बेचते हो और सेल करते हो आप बाद में, right? So loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100. Now we need to do the calculation. Zeros कट हो गई, चाहे आप इससे कट करो चाहे इससे करो, as you wish. Now 5 से कैंसिल होता है ये, right? So 5 3s are 15, right? 45 5 9 are 45, right? और 5 से आप ये करोगे तो आपका आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 100, right? Then if you're not able to cancel it out, you can just write in mixed fraction. ठीक है, 100 को 39 से डिवाइड कर देना, right? Then write the answer there, right? So this was all about profit and loss, right? So it's very important topic क्योंकि whenever you go to the shop, whenever you sell something, buy something, whatever, right? So it is very helpful in your daily life. Okay children, so loss and profit, I'm going to repeat it again. Cost price, कॉस्ट जिसमें हमने वी हैव परचेज्ड अ थिंग, सेलिंग प्राइस जिसमें सेल किया, राइट? सो दो कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस वी हैव. प्रॉफिट कब होता है? जब एसपी बड़ा हो. लॉस कब होता है? जब सीपी बड़ा हो, राइट? और प्रॉफिट क्या होता है? एसपी माइनस सीपी. लॉस क्या होता है? सीपी माइनस एसपी. जो बड़ा है उसको पहले लिख दो, फिर डिफरेंस निकाल लो. देन प्रॉफिट परसेंट क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100. लॉस परसेंट व्हाट इट विल बी? लॉस अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100. लॉस तो डिनोमिनेटर में डालेगा ही. ओके चलो, नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Okay children, from the formula of profit percentage, that is profit upon CP into 100, and what is profit? SP minus CP. So from these formulas we can find out SP and CP. So we can derive the formulas for SP and CP when the profit is given and when the loss is given, right? So I have written the formulas for SP and CP. So when the profit is given, so what is SP? SP is 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP, right? And when loss and CP, if we have to find the CP, when SP is given, profit is given. So it's just the reciprocal of this. 100 plus profit is in the denominator, 100 is in the numerator, right? ये जस्ट इसका रिवर्स है, राइट? CP की जगह SP है, राइट? I hope the formula is clear. Now SP, when the loss is given, 100 plus profit. अगर loss है तो 100 minus loss कर दो, and into CP, because CP will be given, SP तो आपको निकालना है. So in case of CP, अगर loss given है तो just the inverse of this. इसका उल्टा कर दो, 100 here in the numerator और 100 minus loss in the denominator. SP की जगह CP. So, right? You can learn these formulas. They are very simple. I'll repeat once again. Profit find if profit is given, you have to find SP. 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP. और CP निकालना है तो 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट को डिनोमिनेटर में लिख लो, 100 इन द न्यूमरेटर. लॉस है तो जब प्रॉफिट ऐड होता है तो लॉस सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है, राइट? सो इट्स जस्ट ऑफ द सेम टाइप. इसके लिए इसको रिवर्स कर दो. अगर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में तो लॉस इज आल्सो इन द डिनोमिनेटर विद अ नेगेटिव साइन. सो फॉर्मुलाज आर क्लियर. सो आई हैव डन 4 क्वेश्चंस हियर ऑफ दीस फॉर्मुलाज, राइट? फर्स्ट, व्हेन सेलिंग प्राइस इज गिवन, profit is given. So how to find SP? Look here, 100 plus profit, 100 plus profit is 8, that is 108 upon what? 100 and into CP. CP is this. Just substitute these values here and just do the calculation, you'll get the answer, right? Similarly, if CP is given, loss is given. Instead of profit, loss is given, right? Then 100 minus loss, loss is subtracted. So 100 minus loss upon 100 into CP. Just do the calculation, find out the answer. Similar in CP, right? A question of this formula, right? So here you have to apply this formula. SP is given here, right? Profit is given. So 100 upon, how to find CP? 100 upon 100 plus profit. 100 plus 7 is 107 into 428. Do the calculation and get the answer. Similarly, if SP is given, loss is given. Now this formula you have to apply. 100 upon 100 minus loss. Loss is 4.5. So answer will be 95.5. Into SP. SP is in decimals. So in order to remove this decimal here, put 100, right, children? So if there is a decimal if the decimal is in the numerator, you have to put 100, 10, 100 accordingly in the denominator. Right? यहाँ पे 95.5 था, here it was decimal, so उसका zero भी आप ऊपर लगाएंगे. Then do the calculation and you will get the answer, right? So I hope these topics are clear, children, right? Ratio, percentage, right? Increase percentage, decrease percentage, what is SP, what is CP, or what is profit, what is loss, how to find profit percentage, how to find loss percentage, right? How to find SP when profit is given, how to find SP when loss is given, how to find CP when profit is given, how to find CP when loss is given, right? So I have these these formulas are clear with the questions, right? Now we'll do some extra questions. Now we will do 2 different type of questions, right? First question is divide. We have certain value. This money 336 has to be divided among three friends A, B and C. There are three friends. You have to divide this money in among right, three friends, and their ratio will be is given 3:4:5, right? It's given 3:4:5. So these are the ratios, right? Three ratios of A, B and C, right? First of all, what you have to find the total of the ratios. Total means 3:4:5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. आप ratio को add up कर दो, answer आएगा 12. Now, how to find A share, B's share and C's share? Equal share तो they don't have. They will not be getting the equal share, right? They will be getting in ratio 3:4:5. अब आपको 336 rupees को इस ratio में divide करना है, right? So what will be A's share? A का share निकालने के लिए you take the ratio of A, that is 3. You take the total value, that is 12. Then you multiply by 336, right? Same steps here also, same procedure, right? B's share were 4 upon total you have to put here and into 336. C's share ratio was 5, total ratio was 12 into 336. Do the calculation, right? Let us do the calculation here. Let us cancel it by 2, 2 6 right? Here 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, right? So directly let us try with 6, right? 6 2s are 12, 48, 6 8s are 48, right? And 8 is 24, 2, 3 to 6, 7, 8, 84. So its value out of 336, A will get 84, which is the ratio, 3 ratio, right? Now here also we can do the same thing, right? I'm directly cutting it by 28 here, right? This is 2 here, 28, right? So here you have already done the calculation. Now you know that 12 into 28 is 336. So now you need to multiply by 4. 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8, 11. So this will be the share of B's, right? B's share, right? So C will be getting the share. Here it's 28 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 5 2s are 10, 140. Right, children? So now here, so the answers are 84, 112 and 140. So I hope it's clear. When you have to divide certain money among different friends and the ratio has been given, सबसे पहले आप ratio का total करो, right? तो जब share you have to find, A का share you have to find, then take the ratio of A in the numerator. In the denominator में तीनों के ही total आएगा, total of the ratios. So denominator में same होगा, ऊपर उनकी अपनी अपनी ratios आएंगी 3, 4 and 5 and multiply by that amount 3, 3, 6 and then you have to do the calculations and you'll get the share of A, B and C. So there is another question of this type. Like Dinesh saves 20% of the monthly income. 20% वो save करता है, right? So expend कितना करता होगा? What will be the expenditure percentage, right? If you have to find the percentage of expenditure, it will be 100. Total 100% होती है. 20 अगर save करता है तो 80. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 expend करता होगा and you have got the value of expenditure. उसका expenditure given है 4800. उसकी percentage हमने find out कर ली 80. So let the income, we have to find the monthly income. We don't know the income. So let the income be X. हमने income X ले लिया, we'll be calculating it. Saving percentage 20 था, expenditure 100 में से 20 you have to subtract. क्यों हमने subtract किया? Because expenditure has been given here. जिसकी value दी होती है हमें percentage उसी की चाहिए. Here percentage of expenditure was not given, value was given, but percentage of saving was given. तो हम उसको percentage को 100 से minus करके 20, we find out the percentage of expenditure 80. That is easy. 100 में से उस value को minus कर दो saving percent, you will get the percentage, expenditure percentage, that is 80. Right? Now 80% of the income, ये आंसर है. इनकम का जो 80% है, 80% किसका होगा? इनकम का ही होगा ना. So you got, like someone is getting income of like it's 50,000, right? So 20%, that person is saving 20% and बाकी का person क्या बचा? 80. 100 minus 20, 80 in the using and expenditure, right? उसका expend हो जाता है. So here the 80% of X is this, right? अगर हमारे पास saving की value होती तो we would have written 20% of X is वो saving हम डालते, पर we have the value of expenditure, so हमें we need the percentage of expenditure only. So 80% of X, right? 80%. 80%. In order to remove percent, you have to put here 100. I've already explained. Of mean multiply, right? Solving this, you need to find x. So क्या होगा? Cross multiply. 100 goes up, 80 comes down. जो यहाँ का जो नंबर होता है वो अगर राइट पे जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में नहीं है. इफ इट इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो वो क्रॉस होके जाता है. 100 ऊपर जाता है, डिनोमिनेटर में आता है 80. देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट, राइट? इसका जीरो कट किया, 8 से डायरेक्ट डिवाइड किया, 8 6 48, 16 to 100 दैट इज 6000. तो उसकी इनकम जो है दिनेश की, दैट वाज 6000. 6000 का वो 20% सेव करता है, 80% जो है स्पेंड करता है, एक्सपेंडिचर है उसका, राइट? तो वो अमाउंट में 48 है एक्सपेंडिचर. सो व्हाट वाज द टोटल? टोटल वाज 6000. I hope the topics are clear, children. So I'm done with these topics, right? So next topics I'll be covering in my next video. Okay, children, stay blessed and keep smiling.